A taxi operator was shot and killed at his home in Sandy Bay, Montpelier in Hanover on Tuesday night. He has been identified as St. O'Brien Downey, otherwise called Cuban. The police state that Downey was at his home when he was ambushed and shot multiple times by armed men. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Downey was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Sandy Bay and Lucy police have commenced an investigation into the killing. The lifeless bodies of two men were found in a vehicle parked along Salt Pond Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Tuesday evening. The identities of the deceased have not yet been ascertained. The bodies were reportedly found with two goats in the back seat of the vehicle, the police said. Information reaching Observer Online is that around 5:55 p.m. residents alerted the authorities to a grey Toyota Probox motorcar parked along the roadway. Lawmen visited the scene and examined the vehicle. The bodies of the two unidentified males were seen lying in the trunk of the motorcar with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to their upper sections. Police said one of the bodies were clad in burgundy t-shirt and grey sweatpants, and the other in black shirt, black pants, and grey, black, and white sneakers. The scene was processed and the men taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where they were pronounced dead. The bodies were then removed to the morgue for post-mortem examination. Police said the goats were removed from the vehicle and taken for safekeeping. The police have launched a probe following the discovery of the decomposing body of a woman on Windward Road, Kingston, on Tuesday. The body is of dark complexion, about 160 centimeters, 5 feet 3 inches tall, appears to be in its late 40s to early 50s, and has a low-cut hairstyle. It was clad in a red blouse with yellow and black patterns. Reports are that about 8:30 a.m. a passerby discovered the body and summoned the lawmen. Upon the arrival of the police, the body was seen lying on its back on a plain field. The scene was processed and it was removed to the morgue. Anyone with information that can assist the police in identifying the body is being asked to contact the Elliston Road Police or 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. A man succumbed to injuries after being hit in the head with a stone, allegedly by a man believed to be of unsound mind, in Junction, St. Elizabeth on Tuesday. Police named the deceased as Rupert Cunningham, 62, a resident of Watson Hill near Downs, close to Manchester, St. Elizabeth border. A police report said at about 4:50 p.m. Cunningham was attacked by the other man who used a stone to inflict wounds to his head. A large crowd converged at the scene in the Junction town centre following the incident. Cunningham was pronounced dead at hospital. The latest incident is the fourth murder over the past 4 days in St. Elizabeth.